Hey everyone, so today's video I will be unboxing my Beanies coffee order. So about a month or so ago they released their iced coffee range, and I've only just got my hands on them because everyone went mad for the iced coffees because it was summer, it was burning hot, and so I've only just got my hands on some because the stock went out of stock and it took a while for everything to come back into stock. And I've only just got my hands on some stuff, as you can see, and I will be unboxing it now. So I'm starting with this box right here, and it's just a plain white box. So the first thing is this mug. I know I've got lots of mugs, but I wanted this Beanies one. I originally wanted the one with the purple beans on, but that was out of stock. And so I went for this one, because you know, it shows what I'm drinking. And I'd say it was the average size of a mug. And it just looks like that on the inside. There is that on the other side as well. The next thing is this box, and if I just open it up, the next thing is this. This is just the iced coffee shaker, and I got it in the blue because I didn't really like the pink that much compared to the blue. And it's just got the logo there saying shake it up, and it's got the measurements on the side, and if you can see, there's the filter thing. And the final few things are in this box here. First thing is this one. This one is the iced coffee Irish latte one. I haven't tried the normal Irish latte one in the granules, so it'll be a surprise of what I think of it. I got 2 of them because it was in the bundle, and if I don't like it then I'll give it to someone else. They can have it. I also got a box of the iced coffee chocolate one. I'm guessing this is the chocolate hazelnut one, so I'll definitely like this one. And because it's in a bundle, I've got 2 of them. And the final couple things is the sticky toffee pudding iced coffee. I have tried the milkshake, the thick shake of these, and that's okay, so I might like this one. And this is the other sticky toffee pudding one. That's it for today's video. Bye!